Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about a website that I can use to create a landing page for yourself. If you are new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. App called Milkshake. So the first thing to do is go to Google Play Store or App Store to download the app. Once you download the app, you can register, sign up with your email. So once you sign up and register, it takes you to create your website URL. So you put your name or your business name or whatever name you want to use, then create URL, then you click continue, and it brings you to this page. You can see about, links, topics, splash, and YouTube. So you can decide to pick any one of these to start. So for this video, I'm going to choose links. So now I'm going to choose a look I want. So you can pick any design you want. So I'm going to pick one of the designs. One thing about Milkshake is it's easy to use. It's an app that you can use easily. So just pick the one that you want. So I finally found one to use. So you can change the image to your picture or your business logo. We have the card heading. So you can decide to put your business name and as the card heading, like I'm putting Goodness Store as the card heading. For the sub heading, you can use whatever you like I'm writing welcome to my business page. Whatever you want to write there, you can put it there, or you can decide to actually leave it blank, whatever you want to do. There's card description. You can describe what your business is about or describe what you do. So for links, so you can click the edit button and put in the link text. So if you want to add your YouTube channel to the page, to the landing page, so you just copy your link and put it there, then type out YouTube channel. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, add the URL and click save. Please make sure that you're adding the correct URL, because that's the link that anybody that visits your landing page would click on. After you add the URL and save, you can click on the edit link text and add another link and text. So you can add connect with me on WhatsApp and add your WhatsApp link. You can find your WhatsApp link on your WhatsApp profile. So you can add the link. Then you can also do something like connect with me on Facebook, or have a one-on-one consultation with me and add the link to where you want them to. For social links, so you can click on Instagram icon, Facebook, WhatsApp. After clicking on the social media icons, then you can edit the links to put your usernames and the link to your various social media platforms. Then you click preview. After clicking preview, it brings you to this page. So you can decide to change the design and click shake it up. So when you shake it up, it keeps bringing you different designs. So you keep clicking shake it up till you see your desired design. So I'm going to be picking this. After picking your preferred design, you can click customize. So for this customize, you can change the colors. You can change the colors to the different colors that you want, and so you can just change colors. So just pick your preferred colors that you want, what you want your page to look like. So I'm trying out different colors on the page, as you can see. After you have picked your desired colors, you can choose to change the font. In this video, I didn't change any font, but after you finish picking your colors, you can decide to change the font to your desired font. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you are going to try it out. If you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Please turn on post notification, like and share. Once you are done shaking it up and customizing, you can click publish and your website is live.